It's been a month since the OnePlus 9 5G leaked out for the first time, and we still haven't seen a hands-on with the smartphone. That changes today. This is the first hands-on look at the OnePlus 9 5G sent to Phone Arena by an anonymous source and corroborated by our contacts, including tipster Max Jamber. The photos in question provide us with a clear look at the OnePlus 9 5G from every angle. The smartphone, which is pictured in silver, features an updated rear camera module, similar to the ones included on recent Oppo smartphones. It consists of two larger sensors and a much smaller third camera, in addition to the usual LED flash. OnePlus has added the ultra-shot branding to this pre-production unit's camera bump too. Whether or not this makes the final cut remains to be seen, though. With previous models like the OnePlus 8T, the brand printed the camera specs instead. As you may have noticed, the logo on the back of the phone doesn't match up with the official OnePlus identity. That's because the Never Settle brand, like many other companies, creates dedicated logos for its prototype units. Moving over to the front, OnePlus has selected a flat punch-hole screen that measures in at 6.55 inches. The hands-on photos corroborate the presence of slim bezels, although overall the device closely resembles its predecessor the OnePlus 8T and won't be a massive leap forward in terms of design. Those of you interested in the specs will be pleased to hear that we have confirmed support for a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR content. The resolution of the display stands at 2400x 1080p, Full HD+, and the chosen aspect ratio is 29. Turning the OnePlus 9 on its side reveals a metal frame that's presumably made out of aluminum. The top is home to a microphone, and the bottom is where the all-important USB-C port and speaker are located. The SIM card tray can also be seen on the bottom, and the photos reveal some sort of rubber seal. An official IP rating is unlikely, but some form of water and dust resistance does seem to be on the cards. Lastly, a volume rocker sits on the left side of the frame. The right, on the other hand, is home to the power button and alert slider. The images above are not all. Phone Arena has also obtained several screenshots that detail some of the key OnePlus 9 specifications. The highlight is undoubtedly a chipset called Lahaina, which is code for the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. This particular phone is fitted with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, with no option to expand via microSD cards. The presence of Android 11 and Oxygenos has been corroborated too, and so has the 4500 mAh battery. The only major details Phone Arena wasn't able to uncover were the camera specifications, which seem to have been automatically modified by pre-installed software. Nevertheless, Phone Arena suspects that the 12-megapixel and 4-megapixel resolutions listed for the rear and front cameras, respectively, will translate into 48-megapixel and 16-megapixel sensors on the final units. The phone is expected to be out sometime in March. Thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel, follow by the bell.